In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a main Notion dashboard for law school. If you want one place to manage your classes, readings, assignments, and exam prep, a well-organized Notion dashboard can make a huge difference. The goal here is to build a simple system that helps you stay on top of your workload without feeling overwhelmed every time you open it. Start by creating a main dashboard in Notion for law school. This will be your central hub, so give it a clear title and keep the layout clean. Think of this page as the place you'll return to every day. You can add a simple heading, an icon if you want, and enough space to link everything you'll need throughout the semester. Next, add a separate page for each law subject or class. This makes it easier to keep your materials organized and prevents everything from getting mixed together. Each class page can serve as its own workspace where you store notes, course materials, and anything specific to that subject. Keeping classes separate also helps when you need to review quickly before class or study for exams. Inside those class pages, create sections for readings, case briefs, outlines, assignments, and exams. These sections give your notes structure and make it much easier to find what you need later. For example, readings can hold your assigned material, case briefs can store your summaries and legal reasoning, and outlines can become your condensed study guides as the term progresses. Assignments and exams should each have their own clear area, so deadlines and preparation materials don't get buried. After that, add a task database for deadlines and study tasks. This is where you can track everything you need to do, from upcoming reading assignments to longer-term exam preparation. A database is especially helpful because you can sort, filter, and update tasks as your schedule changes. Try to keep task names specific so you always know exactly what needs attention. Then organize your case notes by topic, week, or class. Choose the method that feels most natural based on how your courses are structured. The important thing is consistency. If you organize the same way every time, reviewing later becomes much easier, especially when you're looking for patterns across cases or preparing for cold calls and final exams. Add a calendar view for exam dates and submission deadlines so you can see important dates at a glance. This gives you a visual overview of your workload and helps you plan ahead before busy weeks pile up. Finally, review your dashboard weekly to stay prepared for classes. A quick weekly check-in helps you update tasks, clean up notes, and make sure nothing important is slipping through the cracks. If you keep this habit, your dashboard becomes more than just storage. It becomes a reliable system for staying organized and ready throughout law school.